Good day, it's Richard. If you've just made a mistake on site and you're panicking about what to do next, listen up. One mistake won't ruin your reputation, but how you handle it might. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do in the first 60 seconds after you mess up, how to handle different types of errors, and how to rebuild trust over the next 7 days. And at the end, I'll give you word-for-word scripts and a recovery checklist so you can protect your reputation and come out the other side stronger. Let's get into it. Right, quick context. Everyone makes mistakes on site. Everyone. The apprentice, the laborer, even the blokes who've been doing this for 20 years. You'll cut something wrong, you'll miss a measurement, you'll forget a step, you'll break something. It happens. Here's the thing. Your reputation isn't built on never making mistakes. It's built on how you handle them when they happen. Do you own it, fix it, and learn from it? Or do you hide it, make excuses, and hope no one notices? That's what separates the workers who last from the ones who don't. So let's make sure you're in the first group. Block 1. The first 60 seconds protocol. Alright, you've just realized you messed up. Maybe you cut a piece of timber too short. Maybe you mixed something wrong. Maybe you forgot to do something you were told to do. Whatever it is, here's what you do in the first 60 seconds. Step 1. Stop. Don't keep going hoping it'll sort itself out. Don't try to fix it on your own if you're not sure how. Just stop, take a breath, assess what actually went wrong. Step 2. Tell someone immediately. And I mean immediately. Not at smoko, not at the end of the day, not when you think you've got a solution. Right now. Find your boss, your foreman, or the trader you're working with and tell them. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. Always. Step 3. Own it. No excuses, no blaming the heat or the noise or someone else. Just say, I messed up. I cut this too short, or I forgot to do that step. Clean, simple, honest. People respect that way more than someone who tries to weasel out of it. Step 4. If you know how to fix it, say so. If you don't, ask. I can redo this if you've got another piece, or what's the best way to sort this out? You're showing you switched on and you want to make it right. Step 5. Confirm the next steps and then follow through. If they tell you to redo it, redo it. If they tell you to leave it and they'll handle it, leave it. Don't argue, don't sulk, just do what you're told and do it well. That's the protocol. 60 seconds. Stop, tell, own, propose, confirm. If you do that every time, you'll be fine. Most mistakes are fixable. It's the cover-up that kills you. Block 2. The 3 types of mistakes and how to handle each one. Now, not all mistakes are the same. Here's how to think about them. Type 1. Small mistakes. This is stuff like cutting something a bit wonky, forgetting to sweep up, not stacking materials neatly. Small stuff. It's annoying, but it's not going to cost anyone serious time or money. For these, you just own it, fix it quickly, and move on. Don't make a messy deal out of it, but don't ignore it either. Just say, yep, my bad, I'll sort it, and then sort it. That's all it takes. Type 2. Costly mistakes. This is where you've wasted materials, broken something expensive, or messed up in a way that costs time or money to fix. Maybe you cut 3 sheets of plywood wrong, or you mixed a whole batch of render at the wrong ratio. These ones sting. For costly mistakes, you follow the same protocol, but you add one thing. You offer to help fix it however you can. I know I've stuffed this up and it's going to cost time. If there's anything I can do to help sort it, let me know. You can't always undo the damage, but showing you care about fixing it goes a long way. Type 3. Safety mistakes. This is the serious one. You didn't wear your PPE, you walked under a load, you used a tool the wrong way, you created a hazard. Safety mistakes can hurt people. For these, you stop everything, you tell someone immediately, and you make sure no one else is at risk. Then you own it completely. I didn't wear my hard hat, that's on me, it won't happen again. No excuses, no downplaying. Safety is non-negotiable, and if you treat it like it is, people will forgive a mistake. But if you blow it off or act like it's no big deal, you're done. So, 3 types: small, costly, safety. Different levels, but the same principle. Own it fast, fix it if you can, and show you've learned. Now, before I show you how to recover over the next week, I need to tell you what not to do, because these 5 things will destroy your reputation faster than the mistake itself. Stay with me. Block 3. The 5 things that make it worse. Alright, here's what kills trust when you make a mistake. Number 1. Hiding it. You mess up and you try to cover it, or you just don't say anything and hope no one notices. Mate, they will notice, and when they do, they'll think, if he's hiding this, what else is he hiding? You've just gone from someone who made a mistake to someone who can't be trusted. Don't do it. Number 2, blaming someone else or something else. The instructions weren't clear, or that other guy didn't set it up right, or the tool was dodgy. Maybe that's true, maybe it's not. But the second you start pointing fingers, you look weak. Own your part, even if there were other factors. You can mention context later if it's relevant, but lead with accountability. No. 3, making excuses. Oh, I was tired, or it was too loud, or I didn't have time. No one cares. Everyone's tired, everyone's working in tough conditions. If you messed up, just say you messed up. Excuses make you sound like you're not taking it seriously. No. 4, getting defensive. Someone points out your mistake and you snap back or argue. That's the fastest way to never get called again. Even if they're being harsh, even if you feel attacked, just stay calm and say, yep, you're right, I'll fix it. Save your pride, lose your job, or swallow your pride and keep working. Your choice. Number 5, repeating the same mistake without learning. Everyone gets one mistake, but if you make the same mistake twice, people start thinking you're not paying attention or you don't care. So when you mess up, write it down, put it in your phone. Don't forget to check measurements twice before cutting. Whatever it is, make a note so you don't do it again. Avoid those 5 things and you'll be alright. Do any of them and you're digging yourself a hole. Block 4, the 7-day recovery plan. Alright, so you've owned the mistake, you've fixed it or helped fix it, and now you're wondering how to rebuild trust. Here's what you do over the next 7 days. Day 1, double down on reliability. Show up early, stay late if needed, do everything you're asked without hesitation. You're showing that even though you're messed up, you're still solid. Days 2 and 3, communicate more than usual. Confirm instructions, report back when tasks are done, ask if you're not sure. You're showing you're paying attention and you're not going to let things slip. Days 4 and 5, look for ways to add value. Clean up without being asked, help someone else, do the small stuff that makes everyone's life easier. You're showing you care about the team, not just yourself. Day 6, check in with the person you messed up in front of. Not in a needy way, just a quick, hey, just wanted to make sure we're all good after the other day. I've been keeping an eye on that, won't happen again. Most of the time, they'll appreciate it and it'll clear the air. Day 7, reflect and adjust. What did you learn? What are you doing differently now? If someone asks, you can say, yeah, I learned to always double check before I cut or whatever the lesson was. That shows growth. 7 days. If you follow that plan, most people will forget the mistake and remember how you handled it, and that's what builds reputation. Alright mate, that's the episode. If this helped, drop a comment and let me know. Have you ever made a mistake on site? How did you handle it? I'd love to hear your stories, the good and the bad. And if you've got mates who are new to construction and they're worried about stuffing up, send them this. It might take some of the pressure off and give them a plan. Next episode, I'm talking about how to ask for feedback without looking weak and how to use that feedback to get better fast. Most people are too scared to ask, but the ones who do, they move up quicker than everyone else. You're gonna want to hear this one. Cheers for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.